children, welcome to Melu classroom. Yes, today I am here to teach you a new letter. Yes? Yes. Are you ready? But before we start our session, we will do a warm up. So, are you ready children? Ready to do along with me? Yes. Let's do the warm up. So children, we all will do a warm up today. So, are you ready? Yes. So, now do you know how to walk? Yes children, you all know how to walk? Yes. So how we walk? Yes, this is the way we walk, right? Yes. So, and do you know how to jump? We all love jumping, right? Yes. This is the way we jump, right? Yes. And we know how to run also, yes? Yes. This is the way we run, right? Yes. And if I say stop, how will do? Stop. Yes? So, we'll do all together. Yes? Watch me carefully and do along with me. Yes? So, say children. Walking, walking. Walking, walking. Jump, jump, jump. Jump, jump, jump. Running, 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 running. Now let's stop. Now let's stop. Yes, children? We'll do it again. Walking, 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 walking. Jump, jump, jump. Jump, jump, jump. Running, 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 running. Now let's stop. Now let's stop. Did you all enjoy the warm-up children? Yes. So let's get back into our session and today we are going to learn a new letter. Yes? So children, we have learned letters, right? So let's have a recap. So we have learned, what is this children? What is this? Be a bit loud. Yes, this is letter A, right? Mama A and the baby A, right children? Yes. And what is the sound of letter A? What is the sound children? Yes. A is the sound of A. What is the sound? A is the sound of A. And then we have learned letter B. Yes. So, this is the capital B and this is the lowercase b. And the sound of letter B is
B. B.
B is B. Yes. B is the sound of B. And then we have learned another letter, that is letter C. Yes children? Capital C and the lowercase c. And K is the sound of C. Yes children? So now we will recap the sound of these letters, right? So, ants on the apple, a, a, a. Ants on the apple, a, a, a. A is the sound of A. Balls are bouncing, b, b, b. Balls are bouncing, b, b, b. B is the sound of B. Caterpillars coughing, k, k, k. Caterpillars coughing, k, k, k. K is the sound of C. So now let's get back into our session today. Now today we are going to learn a new letter, that is letter. Yay! This is letter D. And children, this is the capital D and this is the lowercase d. Capital D, like how we have Mama D and the baby D. And now you all might be thinking, what might be the sound of letter D, right? Yes, and the sound of letter D is D, D, D. Yes. What is the sound of letter D, children? D, D, D. Yes. So children, now I'll teach you the action of the letter. Yes? Yes. For that, I have brought you an interesting thing to show. Yes, you all are waiting to see. What might that be? Yes? Yes. See, I have brought you. What is this, children? Drum, right? Yes. So, do you all have drums at home? Yes, right? So, you all playing with drums, right? You all love playing with drums. Yes, children? Yes. So, now, how you all play with drums, children? Yes, how you all play? Yes, you all play with the drums, right? So, now I'll teach you the action of the letter, right? So, sing along with me. Yes, see me play on my drum. Playing drum is lots of fun with the da 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 da. See me play upon my drum. See me play on my drums. Playing drum is lots of fun with the da 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 da. See me play upon my drum. Yes, children? Did you all enjoy playing the drum? Yes. So the action of this letter is D, D, D. Yes, children? What is the action of the letter? D, D, D. Yes. Yay! Yes, children? Give a thumbs up for ourselves. Yes. So now let's see what all we have learned today till now. Yes. So today we have learned the letter of the day is letter D. Yes. And this is the capital D and this is the lowercase d. And the sound of the letter D is D, D, D. Yes. And the action of the letter D, D, D. Imagine how we play the drums. Yes. So the action of the letter is D, D, D. Yes. So now you might be very eagerly waiting to know the words that start with letter D, right? So for that, I'll tell you a very small story where we will come across many words that start with letter D. Right? Ready, children?
Yes.
Are you ready to listen to the story?
Yes.
So children, listen to the story very carefully because in the middle of the story, I'll ask you a few questions. Yes? So, let's go. Yes? Yes. So, there was a little boy named Danny. Say hello, Danny. Hello, Danny. Yes? So, Danny has a habit of reading a storybook daily before going to his bed. So, what do Danny do before going to bed? Yes, Danny has the habit of reading a storybook before going to bed. So, he reads a storybook with the help of his dad. Yes, children? So, Danny reads a storybook before going to bed with his dad. Yes, children? So, now let's see. Danny and his dad is reading a storybook. So, the story is all about a birthday party. Yes, children? You all love to go to birthday, right? Yes. So, we'll see whose birthday is it and who all are coming to the party. Yes, children? Yes. So, it is a story of baby dinosaur. So, it is the birthday of the baby dinosaur. What is this, children? Dinosaur. Yes. So, it is the birthday of baby dinosaur. So, the little dinosaur is waiting for the party for his friends to the party because it is birthday of baby dinosaur and it has invited all his friends to the party. Yes. So, let's see who all are coming to the party. Yes. So, meanwhile, the baby dinosaur is waiting and it heard a sound, someone knocking the door. Yes, children, you know how we knock the door? Yes, how do we knock? Yes, children. So someone is knocking the door, and the baby dinosaur went and opened the door. Yes, children. And to his surprise, all the friends of the dinosaur has come. So who all has come, children? So the baby duck has come with the mama duck. So duck has come with its duckling. So mama duck and the baby duck. So baby duck is called duckling. Yes, children. So duck has come with its duckling. And who else came? The deer has also come. What is this, children? What is this? Deer. So deer has also come to the birthday of baby dinosaur. Yes? Yes. And who else came is? Yay! Yes, children, what is this? What is this, children? Dog. Dog has also come to the party, and they have bought many gifts. Baby dinosaur is excited for the party, and it has celebrated the birthday with the cake. And the special of the day is it is a birthday party with the donut. What is this, children? Donut. You all love to eat donut, right? Yes, yummy, yummy, colorful donuts, right? So all of its friends were also happy to see the donuts. So what did they do? Baby dinosaur has cut the cake, and everybody took a piece of cake and happily ate. Yes, and now little baby dinosaur was eagerly waiting to open the gifts, because it has received many gifts from his friends, right? So what did the baby dinosaur do? It started opening the gifts to see what is inside. Yes, so shall we help the dinosaur to open its gifts? Yes, so it has opened a gift and it found a drum. Yes, children. So baby dinosaur has received that beautiful drum to play with it. Yes. So it was excited and it wants to play with the drum. And it was a doll. What is this, children? Doll. Yes. So the dinosaur was very happy that it has received a doll and a drum. Yes, children. So what did the dinosaur do? The dinosaur started playing the drum. The little dinosaur is enjoying its birthday by playing the drums, and all of its friends were dancing to the drums, right? So how are they dancing, children? Ducks are dancing, da da da. Dogs are dancing, da da da. Deer are dancing, da da da. Da is the sound of D. So now all of them got very tired. The baby dinosaur was tired beating the drums, and all of his friends got tired by dancing. Yes, so now they are all feeling very hungry, and what did they do? It's the time for them to have their dinner, right? So all of them ate donuts in their dinner and went back to their home happily. Yes, children? And there ends the birthday party. So little Danny also enjoyed the story and went to his sleep. How was the story, children? Did you all enjoy the story? Yes? Yes. So now we will have a quick recap of all the words what all we have learnt in the story. Yes? Ready, children? Yes. So we have learnt D for dad. Yes, children? D for dad. D for dinosaur. What is this, children? D for dinosaur. D for D, door. D for D, duck. D for D, dog. D for D, deer. D for D, donut.